Shout out to Kyle at Springles Innovative Customs. I'm about to take some badges off for me, get my bike looking good. I'm gonna switch this out. I don't know what I'm gonna switch it out with yet, but I have a few items on the way. Hit them up if you want some dope paint work. And what else do you do here? Paint and
anything you want.
Anything you want.
Just make your bike cool.
Dope shop. Really cool people. And you all did this pinstripe right here.
Yeah, we did both of those bikes.
Years ago, and it's still on. Still looking good. I think you said this was 2007?
Yeah, we did that one 11 years ago.
I'm thinking about adding something to the road glide. Crazy. Look at this street glide. This is an 883?
It's a 1200.
1200.
We bought that one too.
Yeah, this is my first time seeing this one. This one's crazy.
Yeah, I wasn't here last time we were here.
Sheesh. Look at this. Crazy. Look at the detail. All kind of stuff going on here.
Like some people using a drill is like a foreign object to them, you know?
Right, that's me.
Yeah, well, there you go. So.
Oh, that's coming right now.
See?
That's super easy.
Mm-hmm.
But I see what you're saying. You gotta be precise, like.
Yeah.
Come to Springles if you want your badges taken off.
And now to get that looking perfect, you got to use polish.
Alright, I'm all done. Took off the reflectors. Took off the badge. My boy Cal hooked me up, buffed it out. I'll send his Instagram name if you want to hit him up. This side's the same. Oh, and got the black pegs, got the black floorboards. So it's a work in progress, but we're getting there. And check out his bike. Road King. All crazy. Look at the details. Crazy. Sheesh. Look at that. Crazy. Crazy. That's a dope bike right there. The first thing you do is download the GoPro player. It'll take you to the menu. You go in and find where your GoPro footage is. Double tap on one of the clips and click open. Once you're in the program, your clip will pop up. Once the clip pops up, you just click play, let the clip play through, and then you can start turning your mouse, hold it, click it and hold it, and you can spin it around and maneuver it. You can also click the zoom button. If you hold the option button and click your mouse at the same time, you can expand your clip. You can create the little globe. You can zoom all the way out. You can do whatever you want. And at this point, it's up to you to turn and start keyframing.